Hello friends, I'm little bit busy with my friends. Today I will make super aeroplane. Are you ready to make it with me or not? Let's start. First, I make their boundaries with like this. And now I will completely fix this in this way. Like this. Now this like same order. Yes. And no, it's not fixed. I think this should have chopper. Sorry friends, it make with this super things very hard work. Now make single like this and this like this. And we upside down, and now we make this like this, and now these are their wheels, And now this, and faster. Ta-da! You may be shocked how it works. Ta-da! Well, the plane is very good landing. Do you like this video? Well, subscribe too and click the bell icon and click on all. You will get all my videos. Like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. Great. Bye bye.